Hello people, how to create a random doodle, random drawing on your Insta chat and send it to someone. I will show you how you do that. Follow me. Open an Insta chat and tap on the plus sign on lower left right corner. Here you will get an option of draw below the location, right? And see, I am getting options above which kind of pen I can use. The arrow one, the normal one, the sparkly, and I can also choose the colors right away. And also select a color from my screen by tapping on that pen sign besides the colors palette, right? And see, I am drawing this heart and I can do anything with it. I can just erase it also, like we usually do in our story or what Insta, WhatsApp status, etc., right? And this we can send on by tapping on that blue circle with the white arrow, right? I can tap on it and that is actually a send option. And I'm just creating random doodling these hearts one by one. And see, I tapped on that and see, this is has been shared to the other person and I have these IDs and I just checked it and see, I just received it, right? So that's how we do it. You can send some random drawings to your friends, etc., and see their reactions. See you in the next video. Tada!